Learn English with your Instill.
Good morning! Wake up!
I'm so sleepy.
It's 7. You have a doctor's appointment.
Oh, I forgot.
Come on, get up and get ready!
I don't feel like moving.
You need to go. The doctor will help you.
Okay, give me 5 minutes.
No, we'll be late.
Fine. I'm getting up.
I made tea for you.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Sit down. I'll bring your tea.
Thank you. Is there breakfast?
Yes, I made toast.
I'm not very hungry.
You should eat a little.
Okay, just one toast.
Do you have your bag?
No, it's in the bedroom.
I'll get it for you.
Thanks. Where's my phone?
On the table next to your tea.
Oh, I see it now.
We have 20 minutes before we leave.
Good. I need to check my messages.
Don't be late. The doctor is waiting. Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, it's here.
And your phone?
In my bag.
Good. We are almost out of gas.
Oh no, will we make it?
Yes, the station is near the clinic.
Okay, good.
Are you nervous?
A little. I don't like doctors.
Don't worry, it will be quick.
I hope so.
We'll be there in 10 minutes.
Thanks for driving me.
Always. Good morning. How are you today?
Not very good.
What's the problem?
I have a bad headache.
How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
I don't think so.
Okay, let me check.
Sure.
Your temperature is normal.
That's good.
I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
How do you feel now?
A little better.
What did the doctor say?
I need to take medicine and rest.
Okay, we'll go home soon.
Can we eat first?
Sure. What do you want to eat?
Maybe soup.
Soup sounds good.
Where should we go?
There's a cafe near here.
Is it nice?
Yes, and not expensive.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, I'll drive.
Hello, table for two?
Yes, please.
Here's your table.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Tea for me.
I'll have water.
And to eat?
Chicken soup, please.
I'll have a sandwich.
Okay, I'll be right back.
This place is nice.
Yes, it's quiet.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. You need to rest after this.
Yes, doctor's orders.
The soup was good.
Yes, I feel better now.
Do you want to go home?
Not yet. Let's do something fun.
How about a movie?
That's a good idea.
What do you want to watch?
Maybe a comedy.
Let's check the times.
Oh, there's one starting in 15 minutes.
Perfect. Let's buy tickets.
Do you want popcorn?
Of course. And a soda.
Okay, I'll get the snacks.
I'll find our seats.
This is nice.
Yes. Doctor's orders. You must relax.
Ha ha ha. You're right.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.